shopping tomorrow down in Palo Alto.
In this one?
Yeah.
Right,
Damn, we just keep taking these Ubers. Like, it's so stupid. I have this car down here, you know.
I get it.
It's
Okay.
a nice car. It's like,
Oh, of course, bro. It's a 992. All right, so we have this right here. You have the keys?
yeah. Sick.
There we go.
It
Right,
is just
black
a
goes
dead
here,
battery,
and this one goes here.
then.
Yeah.
I guess we knew that, but good to confirm, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. This should be easy to remove. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. This is easiest trim panel to remove ever.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Thought it was just gonna be a little bit more complicated on Porsche.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Okay, so that's crazy. I have the same exact one.
Oh, wow.
I bought the same exact one, which is good. That's what you need. 10 millimeter, and another 10, and the Torx. 10 millimeter. I'm gonna take the negative first. Negative goes here. Positive goes here.
Is this usually pretty quick?
Yeah. I think that was actually a Torx. Yeah, it was a Torx. I don't know why customer decided to park super close to the wall, man. Yeah. Can't take this one out.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, way better.
They don't make it easy, huh?
No.
Whoa.
Yeah. Make sure all the wires are good. Okay, all the wires are still fine.
So you got a lot of followers on your subscribers, I guess, on your channel?
Not that much. Not like an insane.
Building the game, though.
Yeah, like 3,000.
Oh, that's fucking great.
Well, on YouTube, it's kind of hard to get, not gonna lie.
Yeah, for sure. But I guess if you're out here doing it, people are interested in seeing it, you might as well. You know? Build a brand and do the whole thing.
Yeah. Okay. Finally. All right, so the capacity is right there, and the type is right there, AGM, manufacturer. I just put BEM, as you see right here, and the serial number is a number that is right under BEM code 992-915-105A, right there, and just gonna put execute. Coding values were ran successfully. Alright, we're good to go. Registered the new battery, and that's it. Yep. Just gonna put these back, and then that's it. I'm gonna put this thing back. Actually, just keep it right there. How do you turn those lights off?
Lights come on.
Oh, okay. I guess. Alright, so first thing that goes back is this. They're definitely on the bottom.
I gotta boogie in a few minutes here. I gotta run in a few minutes here.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll be done soon.
That thing is magic.
This?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's quick. Yeah, it was here. It was this one.
Oh.
Thought it was missing. I was like, what? It's just like a 2-in-1.
Yeah. You've been working on cars a long time?
Yeah, I would say so.
Nice, man. Are you interested in classic cars?
Oh no, I hate them.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit, alright.
GoPro died, but didn't want to miss the rest of this. Nothing needs to push over there. Oh, I had a feeling I was going to put it down. Just clip right here. See? Right there. Gonna go ahead and start the car. We have the keys.
Man, I appreciate it.
Yep. Okay. Change driver. I don't know what that means, but looks like we're ready to go. Yep.